Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Inlet Beach, Florida. As the drive unfolds, let's delve into the rich history and natural beauty of this unique coastal community. Inlet Beach is located in the Florida Panhandle, along the Gulf of Mexico. The area is named after Phillips Inlet, a waterway connecting Lake Powell to the Gulf. Lake Powell is one of the rare coastal dune lakes in the world, formed over thousands of years as the weathering of the Appalachian Mountains transported quartz particles to the Gulf, creating the region's distinctive white sandy beaches. In the 1920s, the McCaskill Investment Company of Defuniak Springs recognized the area's tourism potential and began selling land along the Gulf Coast. They established the Inlet Beach Hotel near what is now Camp Helen State Park. Although the hotel burned down by 1931, the community's appeal as a travel destination endured. During World War II, the area was known as Soldiers Beach or Veterans Beach, as land was distributed to returning veterans through a lottery system. This initiative led to the development of the community and the establishment of permanent residences. Today, Inlet Beach is celebrated for its pristine beaches, clear waters, and the unique coastal dune lakes that dot the landscape. The community offers a blend of natural beauty and historical significance, making it a cherished destination for both residents and visitors.
Thanks for watching!